Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Script Smasher. So viewers, in this video I am here with the new script of an investment website. So basically this is a Hype investment website latest version script and it is completely new in market. So its concept is like a movie grabbing or movie investment website script. So here you can see we are currently on the login page of this website and it has a very amazing look, as you can see the look in the thumbnail of this video. So in this video I'm going to give you the complete overview of this script, and if you want us to build this website for you, or if you want to buy this script from us, you can contact us on WhatsApp. Both WhatsApp and Telegram links are in description. You can contact us and buy this from us at a very reasonable price. Now here you can see there is a register option. So from here user can register his. So by filling these details, user can simply register an account, and we can change this country code as well. So here I already have an account, so I will just log in with my existing details. After entering your mobile number, here you have to enter your password. After entering this detail, just click on login, and you can see we have successfully logged, and now you can see that we have successfully logged into our user account. So here this you can see the amazing look of this site. These banners, etc., all are changeable. You can change them from the admin panel. Here you can also change this highlighting text over here. You can change it from admin panel. This website is completely manageable and controllable from admin panel, and you can completely control this website from admin panel. You don't need any coding knowledge to control this, and if you buy from us, we will provide you complete support with it, and you will face no issue in this. And viewers, here is a recharge option. So from here user can recharge money to his account or her account. So here you can choose the payment method. So currently I'm choosing USDT TRC20. You can insert payment methods from admin panel. Here you can see the recharge amount, click on go to pay, and you can see the address over here. User can copy it. You can see the total amount. So here your user have to upload the pay slip and transaction ID and click confirm, and request will be sent it to admin, and when admin will approve it, the amount will be added to user account. So here there's a financial option, so you can see all your financial details of the site, like you can see different plans, your investments. Currently you can see our daily income over here, and total invested amount here. So you can see all the details and plans you have invested in, and also you can see all the details about the products you have invested in. So these are all the products. Here is invite friend option. So you can invite your friends as well. So share this QR, or you can also share this link to invite friends, and user can also earn money through referrals as well. So here is a withdrawal income. So here you can see that here is the withdrawal option. So you can withdraw your money using any of the account, or using bank account, or using the crypto account. So just simple process. You can also see the withdrawal instructions. From here user can withdraw. Here is a bank card promo center, like user can get bonus. You can see your recharge amount over here. Here you can see current balance. So current balance is like when your interest added to your current balance. So currently we just subscribe to plan, so when our profit will be added, so it will show in current balance. Here you can see all the movies, and you can basically invest in these movies. You can click on buy movies, and you can buy these movies from here. So these are all the movies. You can list them from admin panel. And here is a team section. So here is a team section. From here the people all you invite, they will be appeared over here. So you can see all your today invite, total deposit of team, withdrawals of team, and total earning of team. So it will show you all those things over here, and you can also give bonus to your team members on specific achievements. So you can see all these details over here, and all the income that your team has generated. Here's the revenue option. So you can see all the plan you have subscribed to, like we have subscribed to this movie. You can see the plan, and daily earning over here is 500. So here total income it will generate over the period of time is $15,000. So you can see all details, and here you can see the plan is running currently, and after this time the income will be added to our account. Here you can see all investment plans like movies. So you can subscribe to any plan you want. So here if you want to subscribe to any plan, just click on it, and you can easily subscribe to that plan. So here you can see there is a movie plan. So here you can buy any of the movies. Just click on buy it, and you can easily buy this from here. So you can see we have buy this plan, and you can see all the duration, daily income and total income, and all the description of the plan. So basically this is a movie investment website, so users can invest in different type of movies income. So here you can see all your mobile number. Here you can see your ID. You can see your balance, like the profit wallet is here. Invite income, withdrawal income will be shown over here. Here you can invite your friend, see your recharge records over here. So here you can see our recharge records are here. So we can see our recharge records, withdrawal records, login password. You can change it from here, and you can contact the customer support. So this was all about the user panel of this website. Now viewers, we will go to the admin panel, and we will see how we can completely manage this website from the admin panel. So viewers, now I am on the admin login page of this website. Here, in order to log into the admin panel, here I have to enter my email. So I'll enter my email. Here I'll enter my password, and when I click on continue, so it will log me into my admin panel of this website. So here you can see that we have successfully logged in to the amazing admin panel of this website. You can see total users, total purchase plans. Here you can see total check-ins, active bonuses, and all the details will be shown over here. You can see them, and you can also see the notifications here. You can change admin details from here. You can check your inbox here. You can give salary to your team members. So here just click on it, and salary will be added to people account. Here is manage plan section. So from here you can create the multiple plans like movies plan from here. So here you can see all the plans listed on the site from here, and you can delete them as well. Just click on delete, and you can delete the plans. Edit them as well. If you want to edit them, you can edit them. So click on edit, and here choose the option like category. Select the category, the date for the plan, choose the plan name, package name, label, choose file, like upload the logo of the site plan, amount, validity, commission, referral commission. So all these things are here. You can create the plan from here, and if you want to add new plan, just click on it, and you can simply add the new plan on your website. So it's a very simple thing to create a plan. Here's a referral commission. So you can set the multiple levels of commission, like up to three levels. You can set up commission from here. Here is manage customers. You can manage all the customers that are on your website. So you can see, so currently I have opened the admin panel on mobile phone, so its look is not good, but when you open it on laptop, so it will be appeared very amazing in an amazing manner. So here you can just unban users, you can log in as user, you can edit the user, whatever you want to do, you can do the user or customer. So here you will see all the deposit requests from customers. So when any customer will request a deposit, the request will come here, and you have to approve it. Here you can see all approved requests. So it will show you all approved requests of users, a payment request, and their screenshots over here. Here is a withdrawal option. So here it will show you all the withdrawal request of users, same like approved withdrawal and rejected withdrawals. Here is a manage methods, like you can create deposit methods. You can see currently there are two deposit methods, Jazz Cash and USDT. So you can edit them. Here you can upload their picture, you can change their name, address. You can upload it from here. You can active them or inactive them, and you can create a new deposit method if you want from here. So it's a very simple to create a deposit method. So you can create them from admin panel. From settings, you can set withdraw charge, minimum withdrawal, maximum withdrawal. You can close the withdraw as well, daily check-in, registration bonus you can give, and you can add your Telegram link. So viewers, in this video I gave you the complete overview of this movie Hyip investment website. Now if you want to purchase this website, or if you want us to build this complete amazing website for you, you can contact us on WhatsApp or Telegram. Both links are in description of this video, and we will build what you want. And viewers, if you need any other design of any Hyip website, you can contact us, and you will get all type of Hyip designs. Thanks for watching this video. Do like and subscribe to our channel.